Peace. What's going on, crew? It's your boy Serrano, and today I have a little unboxing for a case for my Honor device, which is right here. So let me just go ahead and open it up, and let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got inside the box. So I ordered this from Amazon, and the link will be in the description, and it is an affiliate link, so if you do purchase this, I will receive a few pennies from it. But you can see right here, it does say new protective case from Suck. I don't know what that even says. Is that even English? I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. But you can see it's for the Honor Pro, and it's in the black color. And let's see, it says Rugged Shield. So let's go ahead, and you can see right here, it's some more branding. And so let's go ahead and just take a look and see what's inside of here, because I definitely thought this was pretty affordable, and I definitely thought it would be pretty cool. So let's put that off to the side, and let's go ahead and see what this thing is about. So we're going to take this off, and right away I feel a nice material, which I actually like. So this material is like the tire material, like the Goodyear tire material. Has a nice grip to it. It says Rugged Shield right here. It has a shield emblem. It has like this really grippy rubbery feel to it, which I really do like. You're getting 1, 2, 3, 4 grooves on each side. Then you're getting the power and volume rocker, power button, fingerprint cutout right there, and volume rockers. 1 groove and 2 and 3 on the right side, so 3 grooves on the right side. Then the triple cutout for the camera, cutout for the headphone jack, microphone, Type-C, and speaker. So let's go ahead and put this thing on. This definitely has a nice feel in my hand. I like how this feels right now. So let's go ahead and put it in the Honor 8X. I'm sorry, Honor 9X Pro. Okay, so it's inside the Honor 9X Pro. Now let's take a look at the lip. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have a lot of lip action going on. So if you decide to just throw it on the table real quick, you don't have to worry about getting it scratched. This thing will definitely be good for lay on the table protection. So you could just, it has a rugged shield and a nice feel. You feel confident just going like that real quick. You're not gonna have to worry about cracking your phone. It says rugged. It feels rugged. It feels stylish, but it also, let's test the fingerprint. I'm gonna put my thumb right there. Let's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's really quick. All right, so you can see everything works perfectly fine. Let's take a look at my wallpaper. And I got a theme right here for Halloween, so you can see that looks really cool. I definitely think that Frankenstein wallpaper looks dope. So I think that wraps it up for this case review, but I definitely think this is cool because the cutouts look really good. You can see right there, and it's deeply embedded, so you're getting a nice camera protection. There's no way your cameras will crack if you drop the phone, unless you're unless you drop it on jagged rocks or something like that. But then right here you can see just a really stylish case, clean on that side. At the top you get the pop-up camera cutout. Let me show you how that would work. So let's go to the camera and flip the camera, and now you can see that cutout is perfect for the case and everything like that. So that works perfectly fine. And then you got the microphone cutout and all the cutouts down below. A microphone, 3.5mm headphone jack, Type-C, and speaker. Alright, but that concludes this video. Thank you guys for staying locked in with me. I appreciate every last one of you. You guys are the real ones. But make sure you guys stay locked in for more videos just like this, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later, crew. Peace.